Introducing hyperjuice, the world's smallest 100-watt charger that is 50% smaller than traditional chargers. With 2 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports. It's a quick charge your smartphone, laptop, tablet, and mobile device, all at the same time. With 100-watt dual USB-C power delivery, a single hyperjuice charger can power 2 laptops simultaneously. Hyperjuice is about the size of a pack of cards, so it can easily fit in any pocket. Featuring built-in foldable wall plugs, so you don't need to mess with bulky cables. There are also pin converters to work in almost every country, so it's travel-friendly. The secret to hyperjuice lies in gallium nitride, a new semiconductor material that enables chargers to be smaller and more efficient. Hyperjuice, the world's smallest 100-watt charger.